This is a demo for this KGW layered routing application. Okay, so if you see the layout here, so basically it's a routing operation whereby this is a router and this is a router, and they are connected with different IP address. So the motive here is that we can achieve a pin, okay, from this centralized server all the way to the PLC or this or the second layered router. Okay, so this is the so-called testing the testing mockup that I did. Okay, I have a laptop. Okay, then if you get to see the blue line over here. Okay, let me slightly expand my live video over here. Okay, so okay, it's too big. Okay, so you see this laptop. Okay, so there's a laptop. Okay, the blue cable is referring to this blue cable over here. See my video. Okay, it's connecting to my number one router. Okay, which is happen to be KGW. Then you get to see the gray cable over here. Okay, then the yellow cable is connecting to another PC. Okay, over here. So yeah, so this is almost simulating this scenario already. Okay, and it's connected already. So okay, let me open up my laptop now. Okay, this is my laptop. Okay, so how do we know it's connected? Okay, let me go open up. Okay, let me sort of push this to somewhere else. Okay. Okay, so let me open up a DOS prompt. Okay, and let me do a quick pin. Okay, pin 192.168.5.1. Okay, yeah, it's reaching out. Okay, and if I top 5, it's also reaching out. Okay, so how can I get this done? Is okay. First, let me reach out to the IP address of okay. Let me see if I can push this to a bit. This location. Okay. Okay. Let me see if I can. Yeah. Okay. So let's reach out to this IP address of 192.168.10.1. Okay. Let's do a quick pin test. .10.1. And it's reachable. Okay, so earlier I've already done this. This is also reachable. Okay, let's open up let me open up SSH section. Okay, and is it open? Is it open? Okay, let me try again. Oops, I wait, I think I messed up. I should open over here. Okay, let me see if I can scroll down over here. Okay, let's try again. SSH section. Yeah. Okay, let's open up router 192.168.10.1. Okay. So I'm reaching out to router 1 now, and the password is something like this. Okay, and yeah, so let's IP show. Is it IP show? So so we have oh, did I get it right? IP show show oh, address, I think. Okay, good. So the interest will be, wow, there's a lot of address. But our interest will be the where is it? Wow, quite confusing. See if I can get it right. Okay, this is the address of .10.0. Okay, we are expecting another address over here, which is dot 2.22. Okay, which is here. Okay, so yeah. Okay, this is router 1. Okay, what I did on this router. Okay, what I did on this router is I add a router. Okay, let's try to I add a router rule. Okay, show. And initially it was yeah, initially it was only this and this and this, sorry, 10. So I add another router rule of this. So yeah, yeah, okay. So after that, let me exit. Okay, let me show you. Now I try to reach out to 9.2.68.51. Okay, which is oh, it's not here. Okay, never mind. Let's create a new section, and the section will be 192.168.6.5.1. Okay, and yes, accept. Okay, route, and the password will be same password dot. Okay, so I'm going to do the same IP address. So this is less complicated. Okay, you get to see here. Yeah, so this is the address of this. Oops. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, so and this is the address of this, which is the my PLC, okay, which is 5.5. Okay, so one thing need to take note is you need to define the gateway, okay, of this the unit to be this, and the gateway of this to be this. Okay, okay, let's continue. Okay, so to prove this, okay, and I think I don't need this already. Okay, but over here at my PC over here, I also add a routing rule. Okay, oh, I forget to explain the routing rule of let me see if I can press again. Okay, there's a routing rule for this unit. Okay, let me log in again. A quick login. Dot. Oh, I see. Dot. Okay, I messed up. Let me try again. Okay, so IP address, this is the address. Okay, but the next interest will be IP route. Sure. Okay, so basically I also added this particular this, yeah, so that it can be reachable. Okay. Oh, did I mess up again? Oh, sorry, this is the old one. This is the route 1, router 1. I supposed to show you router 2. Okay, let me connection. Router 2 will be, oh sorry, this is router 2. Yeah, correct. This is router 2. So yeah, so earlier I show you how to get it. Okay, so the next thing, okay, let's do a very more let's try something. Okay, let's remote desktop access 5.5. Okay, okay. Let me open up my remote desktop and 192.168.0.5.5, and yeah. So this is this is the remote access of this PC. Okay, over here I already turned on a slave operation, which is this. Okay, okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to operate a slave master over here to reach out to this guy. Okay, so I turned on already, and which is this guy. Okay, so let me see if I can change this smaller. Okay, so it's actually communicating already. So this is the Modbus master, this is Modbus slave at the PLC side. Okay, let me change this value maybe to 1234, and yeah, so almost instantly this guy will change. Okay, let me do an increment number. Okay, and yeah, so it's communicating. Okay, so how do I prove that it's really communicating? Okay, let's do a small stunt over here. Okay, let's do a small stunt. Okay, this is the connector. Okay, let me remove the connection. Okay, and if I remove the connection, you see the running number, you see there's this increment number. It should stop. Okay, it should stop. Okay, and probably this number also stop because it's out of reach. Okay, let me, oops, oops, let me readjust this. Okay, let me unplug. So yeah, see, it stopped and it's out of reach. Okay, let's put it back. Yeah, the Modbus actually connect back. Okay, this one it takes some time to reconnect back. And yep, wow. So with this, I end my presentation. Thank you.